Top 5 Valentine's Day Gifts for Him Hacks you need to know. There's a chance you still find it difficult to find the perfect Valentine's Day gift for him, whether he's your husband, boyfriend, dad, or any other special man in your life. The challenge: you want something as unique and heartfelt as your love, but still practical enough for him to use on the daily. That's why we've rounded up the best Valentine's Day gift ideas for the man in your life, no matter your budget or relationship status. You'll find a creative gift for every kind of relationship. Whether you're celebrating your first Valentine's Day together as boyfriend and girlfriend, or they have married you to your husband for what feels like forever. All the gift ideas on this list, regardless of how inexpensive, are equally personal and romantic because, remember, Valentine's Day is all about love. While you may be tempted to go for a more unusual gift idea, this time around, stick with something that caters to your guy's interests, whether it's his knack for telling a good joke, cooking a delicious meal. No matter which presents you pick, there's no doubt that he'll love it because it came straight from your heart. 1. What I love about you. Fill in the book. Go clever, spirited, or genuine with your answers in this fill in the clear book. Or go for a mix of every one of the 3 as you write your most loved minutes, inside jokes, or attributes that you love most about your playmate. To engraved wooden docking station. Give the entirety of his end table fundamentals, telephone, glasses, watch, wallet, and keys, a home with this mooring station, which consistently mixes capacity and design. Redo it by looking over one of 8 wood conceals and adding his name, initials, or monogram. $3 Q&A a day, $3 journal for 2 people. Both of you are in it for the long stretch, which is the reason this 3-year diary makes the ideal blessing. Every day for the following 3 years, this diary will incite you both to respond to a specific inquiry, empowering further discussions and self-reflection. 4 City map. Regardless of whether he's as of late moved from home or just fallen more enamored with his present one, he'll gladly put this city map on any rack or divider in clear view. 5 Beer subscription. Remove the mystery from gifting by marking your person up for a month-to-month, every other month, or quarterly specialty brew membership. What's more, if he's the sort to impart a chillier couple to his companions, pick the 24 brew choice.
Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for watching.